Good afternoon and welcome to the Sunday debate. Viewers, we are now 16 days away from Republic Day. As India gears up to celebrate its 72nd Republic Day and the Constitution of India that binds us all regardless of ideology, party, religion, region, caste, class or creed, there is one cabal. One terrible cabal, one predictable cabal, one anti-national cabal, which is determined to use the day to celebrate chaos. These people want to use 26th January as a day to celebrate anarchy. These people want to use 26th January as a day to celebrate lawlessness. But ladies and gentlemen, we the people of India will not let this small section of has-beens, frustrated unelectables, to hijack what is the most important day for our nation and for every single citizen. And therefore, our clarion call from Republic today to all of you is the hashtag 26 Jan is sacred. Hashtag 26 Jan is sacred. 26 Jan is the day to pay our homage to every single fighter who laid down their life to create the Republic of India. It is the day to salute our forces who risk their lives every single day to secure the Republic of India. It is the day 26 Jan to celebrate our heroes from all walks of life who have dedicated their lives to the Republic of India. So 26 Jan is sacred. 26 Jan is the day when every single village, every single town, city, taluka, district, every single state of the country unites in the act of unfurling the tricolour with a chest full of pride and a heart full of patriotism. 26 Jan is sacred. 26 Jan is more than an occasion. 26 Jan is a sentiment that has carried through the year no matter who the Prime Minister is, no matter who the President is, and no matter which party or coalition is in power. But over the past few years, a new trend has emerged among the anarchy addicts, the unelectables, to do something, to do anything, to create a climate of disorder on 26 Jan, dissonance and disarray on 26 Jan. They want to hijack 26 Jan. They want to turn it into a celebration of chaos, divide and disharmony. They want to discredit and cancel India as a democratic republic. But 26 Jan is sacred, and viewers, this Sunday debate, I only ask you this. Is it not time for the world's largest democracy to show the globe how democracy truly operates? Isn't it time to defeat the efforts of those who want anarchy by showing that India operates on nationalism instead? So isn't it time that we fight back these people to ensure that 26 Jan was sacred, is sacred, and remains sacred? On the Sunday debate today, using the hashtag for the debate 26 Jan is sacred, Shazia Almi of the BJP, General G.D. Bakshi, Shefali Vaidya, columnist and political analyst, Professor Kapil Kumar, political analyst, Colonel Rohit Dev, geopolitical and defense analyst, Madhu Kishwar, founder and editor of Manushi, Professor Manojit Mandal, political analyst from Kolkata, Tanveer Ahmed, national spokesperson of the JDS, Professor D.K. Giri, political commentator, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, and C.P. Rai from Agra. Thank you very much. The motion is before you. A group of people have decided to turn 26 Jan into a celebration of anarchy. They got away with it last year, and unfortunately we allowed them. And so after that, Shaheen Bagh turned into the Delhi riots. We allowed the Delhi riots. I ask you today, General Bakshi will open the debate tonight with C.P. Rai from the other side. I'm calling out the names. I'm saying enough is enough. Enough is enough. No more Shaheen Bagh. No more Delhi riots. No more deliberate provocation. on 26 Jan. No more riots which are timed with global visits to India. No more. CP Rai, no more. It is nobody's democratic right to turn 26 January into a day for anarchist propaganda. Please open the debate, Mr. Rai.
Yes. अर्णब, पहले तो बहुत दिन बाद आपसे बात हो रही है। 26 जनवरी देश के अपनी अस्मिता का, अपनी सार्वभौमिकता का और अपने इज्जत का दिन है। 26 जनवरी को हम अपना गणतंत्र दिवस मनाते हैं और उसमें पूरा देश शामिल होता है। और ये सच है कि 26 जनवरी हो या 15 अगस्त, इनके बारे में सारे देश की एक राय होनी चाहिए, एक सम्मान होना चाहिए, एक तरह से उसको मनाया जाना चाहिए, सबका उसमें पार्टिसिपेशन होना चाहिए। और मैं चूंकि खुद 26 जनवरी का पार्टिसिपेंट रहा हूं, इस परेड में चला हूं जिसमें मुझे इनाम भी मिला था 1974 में, मैं उसकी अहमियत, उसकी कीमत जानता हूं। यहां शायद आप किसानों के लेकर सवाल उठा रहे हैं। आपने 2 सवाल उठाए, मैं बहुत संक्षेप में जवाब दूंगा। एक तो हम लोग हमेशा से दंगों की पॉलिटिक्स के खिलाफ रहे हैं। हमेशा से हमने कुछ संगठनों से कहा कि दंगों से आप चुनाव जीत सकते हो, लेकिन देश बिगड़ जाएगा, और देश बिगड़ा, उसका नुकसान हुआ। दंगे किसी हालत में नहीं होने चाहिए, सरकार किसी की भी हो। दूसरी बात, मुझे आज भी याद है कि 15 अगस्त को मनमोहन सिंह जी लाल किले से भाषण कर रहे थे, और उस भाषण के वक्त उनसे ज्यादा एक प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री को टीवी के चैनल सब दिखा रहे थे। मनमोहन सिंह को एक तरह ब्लैकआउट करते थे या आधा चैनल काट देते थे। यह शुरुआत तब से हुई है। लेकिन फिर भी मेरा कहना यह है कि जब आजादी के बाद भी 26 जनवरी परेड पहले निकली थी, उसमें भी किसानों के कुछ ट्रैक्टर आए थे। सरकार की खूबी यह होगी कि वो उनको भी इनवाइट कर ले कि आइए आप 50-100 ट्रैक्टर लेके आप अगर सिंबॉलिक रूप से भाग लेना चाहते हैं तो आप इस सिस्टम का पार्ट बन जाइए और आप भी भाग लीजिए, हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं। इसमें टकराव की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। लेकिन हाँ, क्यों इस बात से
आप कह रहे हैं योगेंद्र यादव को 26 जनवरी के परेड में हम इनवाइट करें? आप कह रहे हैं योगेंद्र यादव को 26 जनवरी के परेड में हम इनवाइट करें?
किसानों की बात,
आप परेड का मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं?
अबाउट फार्मर्स, अर्णब,
आप क्या कह रहे हैं?
I am talking about farmers. I am talking about farmers. और आप योगेंद्र यादव की बात कर रहे हैं, मैं फार्मर्स की बात कर रहा हूं। मैं ये कह रहा हूं, अगर वो सिस्टम में अडॉप्ट होते हो तो अडॉप्ट करिए, लेकिन 26 जनवरी को डिस्टर्ब करने का अधिकार किसी को नहीं है। मैं इस बात से पूरी तरह सहमत हूं और मैं इस विचार का हूं।
Thank you, Mr. Rai. General Bakshi, Yogendra Yadav says, and I quote, yes, Tanveer, I see your hand up. I'll be coming to you. I need to place the facts before the people of India. Yogendra Yadav says, we have decided that on January 7th, we will take out our tractor march at 4 borders of Delhi, including the eastern and western peripheral. This will be a trailer for what lies ahead on Republic Day, 26 January. He's blackmailing the people of India. He says this will be a trailer for what will happen on 26 January. This man who all of Delhi cannot get 1,200 votes. And he's using a day, General Bakshi, that is meant to pay respect for the soldiers who fought for India's independence with a 21-gun salute. And look the mockery that he's turned it into. 26 Jan is sacred, General Bakshi.
Arnab, rituals tie us to our origins. Each year, we have the grand spectacle of the Republic Day parade when the military might of the Republic is on display for the world. This year, the Republic Day is specifically, very important and sacred. We all know what has happened last year on the Ladakh border. 1 colonel, 20 of our boys martyred. There have been so many exchanges on the line of control the LAC, and there has been the continual terrorism.
Oh, yes.
This is the day on which our martyrs, our brave hearts will be honored. You want to disrupt that? You want to disrupt that? We are seeing a new phenomenon. The democracies of the world have to unite to fight the tyranny of autocracy represented by China. China, which has gifted COVID to the world. We are all, the democracies are trying to unite, but it is with great distress we find that deep schisms in democracy are derailing our power. We saw it in Capitol Hill. Arnab, what did you see in Capitol Hill? The mighty United States reduced to utter chaos. Is this what people are trying to do? Schisms in democracy? Those who cannot win elections, they want to disrupt our sacred occasions. We had leaders who suddenly said, Boris Johnson is not coming, let's not have the Republic Day parade, and replace it with tamashas. For God's sake, you don't want to honor your brave hearts. You don't want to honor the people who sacrifice their lives to protect you, who while you sleep in your cozy quilts are there in minus 40 degrees in eastern Ladakh, on the line of control, on Siachen.
What a shame.
For God's sake, let's just see where we are going. You want to have another Capitol Hill in New Delhi on that sacred day? There are days that are sacred. For God's sake, you are talking of farmers. All our soldiers, about 80% are farmers. What do you think? The Indian Army, when it marches, it's about 80% farmers. They are being represented, God damn it. For God's sake, what do you want to disrupt?
Gagat.
If anybody is to get the Ashok Chakra or whatever
want to
award,
celebrate 26
he should
January,
not be able to
their
get
way,
it.
what is your problem?
Be active.
No, why are you against the farmers,
of the
General
nation
Bakshi?
cannot
General Bakshi,
hijack
why do you hate the farmers?
Republic Day
I don't
parade.
understand.
They can
Why do you hate the
something else
farmers?
on some
No,
other
why
day.
do you hate the farmers?
Republic Day is
Why do you hate the farmers so much?
Sir,
Why do you
I
hate them
just
so
told
much?
you,
Why do you love these Ambanis and Adanis so much?
I just told
And
you.
why do you hate the farmers?
80% of
You
the
love the
army
corporates. You
are
see,
farmers.
that is your problem. You are
Don't
in
give
love
us
with
this
Ambani.
binary.
You are in love
Don't
with
give us
Ambani.
this binary.
That's the problem.
It has got
So,
nothing to do with the Republic Day parade.
Anyone who speaks
Why I
against
hate
the
farmers?
corporates,
Arey
you
sahab,
can't tolerate, you see. And you start
all
shouting. You hate the farmers.
80% of the army
That's your problem.
is
You don't like the
farmers.
farmers. You like these big
80%
rich
of the
people,
army
you know.
is farmers,
You like
all
these
right?
big
I have served
industrialists.
with those boys
You like the
all my
Adanis,
life.
the
I have
Ambanis, the
participated
Birlas, and so on
in
and so
battles
forth.
with them.
No, you don't.
I
You
have
don't. You
held
hate
their
them.
hands.
You hate them, you
No,
deplore
it has got
them.
nothing. The
You
Republic Day
deplore them.
parade.
You like
What has
your
the Republic
five-star
Day parade
culture.
got to
You
do
like
with
your-
Adani or
you know, you
Birla
like your
or
five-star
whosoever?
culture,
No.
air-conditioned
I'm sorry.
office,
You cannot
you know,
derail this
where you can
debate.
speak your life,
You
you know.
cannot
I
derail
don't
this
think you have
debate.
ever visited
I
a
will
farm.
not allow you
I don't
to.
think you have ever visited a farm.
What has the Republic Day parade got to do with
No, you hate the
Adani or Adani or anybody else? What has the Republic Day parade got to do with Adani or Ambani or anybody else? The Republic Day parade is about the Republic.
Mr. Bakshi,
Every farmer is a
If
part,
everybody
a
believes in the
part of
Constitution,
Republic.
why do you hate them so much?
Every
You see,
farmer is a part
You
of this
believe in this
Republic.
corporate club culture. You are a
Don't-
part of the
don't give me
corporate
that.
club
Don't
culture
try and put
actually.
words
That's the
in my
problem, you
mouth.
know. You
Don't
sit over
try
there
and
in these
put
big
words
clubs.
in my mouth.
You have drinks with these big guys, you know. All rich people,
You know,
big
how
cars.
much have you
So you
served
cannot
with
see the
farmers?
Delhi border actually.
I spent all my
You
life
can't see those
with
poor
the farmers who are soldiers.
You don't understand their
I'm
problems.
talking
you
of
know.
the Republic Day
No, you
parade.
don't understand their problems.
I
That's the
am
problem.
talking of-
Actually, you are so isolated now. No, you are not talking of the Republic Day parade. You are talking of Ambanis and Adanis and some rich capitalist people.
And
or rich
80% of them are
club
farmers.
of people, you know,
Why do you hate?
to which you belong, you know.
Richie Rich.
And so you cannot see where the farmers stand. That's the problem.
Sir, please get the topic of the debate right.
Yes.
Please get the topic of the debate
No,
right.
the topic
It
of the
is about
debate
the
is
Republic Day.
the farmers
And
should be
every one of
allowed
us is a part of
to
that Republic.
participate in the Republic Day.
You cannot
And you should
spoil
not hate the farmers.
Republic
That's
Day.
what I'm trying to say.
You cannot make a mockery
you should
of
feel
the
bad
Republic Day.
for the farmers.
You,
These farmers
sir,
are
trying to
patriotic.
say wrong
They
things.
believe in India.
You are
they are
saying
good
wrong
people.
things.
They want to get their tractors.
The farmers
Why
are
doesn't the
I'd like
government
to come
invite
in
them
now,
also?
please. Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute.
do it every
Vivek
year.
Srivastava, 1 minute. 1 minute, I'd like to come into the debate, please. 1 minute.
Communist.
1 minute, everyone. Can I get the guests on the left? 1 second. Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. I've heard you all. I've heard you all. I want to come in right now, General Bakshi.
Yes.
Allow me, CP Rai. Allow me. Let there be a referendum in this country. We have to understand, 1 minute, the large majority of people in this country who have tolerated this nonsense of playing around with national symbols, national icons, and days when
You're
we
calling the
celebrate our
farmers
nation.
nonsense.
must
It's
be
bad.
I give
the
one
Republic should
example.
not call the farmers nonsense.
I
It's bad.
am calling you, and you're certainly not a farmer. I am calling you, and you're certainly
you
not a
should not
farmer,
call the-
and neither
you
is
should
your
not
role
call the
model
farmers
Yogendra Yadav.
nonsense.
He's not a farmer,
He's a
so keep
communist.
quiet. So keep quiet. Yogendra
He
Yadav and
is a
Vivek
communist.
Srivastava are
You
not
should
farmers, ladies
You should
and
not-
gentlemen.
you should
Please
not-
understand.
You should not speak
They are
bad for the
double-faced
farmers.
hypocrites.
But I am
I'm
Okay, don't
calling
speak
you.
bad for the farmers.
I'm calling
I
you.
know you hate the farmers.
Are you a farmer?
Please don't
Is
speak
Yogendra
bad for
Yadav a
them.
farmer? When has he sown 1 square
No,
inch of
everybody-
wheat? Don't talk rubbish.
see,
I'm
see.
calling you. 1 minute.
No,
One
but we do
minute.
love
Now
the
I want to
farmers,
make a
right?
point.
We do love the farmers. We love their cause.
Be
They're
quiet.
poor people.
I will not have a heckling. I will not let you heckle now. Now people, you must tweet saying 26 Jan is sacred. 1 minute.
Farmers.
Akar Patel in the Congress.
No.
You shut up.
नहीं, आप-
Akar Patel in the
अर्नब
Congress
जी, आप गवर्नमेंट से अपील
mouthpiece.
करिए
National
that
Herald
the farmers
Rights.
should be allowed.
Akar Patel in the Congress mouthpiece. National Herald Rights.
Mr. Bakshi
आप
bhai, you are so
farmers को
angry.
क्यों नहीं चाहते हैं 26
Professor
जनवरी में
Kapil Kumar,
राजपथ
don't get
पे?
provoked. We are on
Why
a very
don't you
important
invite
debate.
them also?
Arnab,
Hello.
Kapil Kumar is not
I
a
will like to
capitalist.
say one thing here.
Will you allow me to make my point or?
No, Kapil
Yes,
Kumar.
I am a capitalist.
आप तो-
Who are you?
Yes, Professor
Who are
Kumar, go
you?
on.
You are a
I'm
bloody
coming to
Chinese
Shahjahan.
agent. You are
You are a capitalist
you are,
now, you know.
You are
You are a
You are the
capitalist
agent
now,
of
Professor
Jinping,
Kapil Kumar.
the biggest money
We
lender
kicked
of
you
the
out
world.
of the left front, you know.
You are
We
the
kicked you
agent
out of
of
the left
Jinping.
front. We threw you
the
threw you
biggest
out of
money
the party,
lender.
you know.
Biggest
You were
money
thrown
lender.
out of the party
You
because
damn.
you are a capitalist.
You damn. You insult my
You don't
general.
belong to the
you
cause.
insult my general.
You don't
You insult
any
my
longer
general.
support
you
the
are a
cause of the
capitalist.
farmers.
You are supporting 500-acre
No.
farmers. You are supporting farmers.
We kicked you out of the party because
You have forgotten
you are
the
indisciplined, you see. So the Communist Party kicked
You
you
shut
out.
up, Chinese agent.
No, the Communist
Biggest
Party
money
kicked you
lender in
out
the
and
world.
suspended you.
You take instructions from
you see,
Jinping.
You are indisciplined, you know. And, you know, you are selling your soul to these, you know, big capitalists, you know, just like General Bakshi does. So you don't understand the
Arey, you
problems
have
of the
sold
farmers.
your,
don't
you
want to
sell
discuss
it
the
in
problems of the
Nandigram to
farmers.
the capitalist. You have
I don't
forgotten
understand.
Nandigram.
No, listen.
What did you do in
it's not that.
Nandigram?
You see, that is why we
What did you
suspended
do in
you.
Nandigram?
Because you are so
You
No,
sold it to the
I'm not
capitalist.
interested in I'm not interested in.
relax.
No.
Cool
1 minute.
down, cool down.
Vivek,
Cool down,
the
cool
issue
down.
is different. Thank you. I'm taking Vivek out for a minute, please. Thank you.
Yes.
I
How
want
dare
to
you
bring in.
insult my
Calm
general?
down, everyone. Calm down,
dare you
everyone.
insult general?
There are 5 panelists who have not spoken. There are 5 panelists who have not spoken. I need to be fair. I bring in Shazia and Tanveer. I'm making one point. Akar Patel, who said,
Yes.
protest is a craft, former head of Amnesty, exposed on multiple occasions. Akar Patel in the Congress mouthpiece, National Herald writes, and I quote, Republic Day without a republic? Although India will celebrate Republic Day this month, there is no republic any longer. Rights of citizens guaranteed by the Constitution have been usurped by the
So,
state.
Arnab,
There is
can
nothing
I-
to celebrate. Now, point is, I'll just one line, this is an insult to our Republic Day. It's a deliberate insult. When there is a salute and a tribute to all those who, unlike people like Akar Patel and the anarchists, are proud to be Indian, they are conferred the Kirti Chakra, the Ashok Chakra, the Paramveer Chakra, and the Veer Chakra. This may mean nothing to the Congress and Akar Patel, but it means a lot for the people of India. Yes, Shazia.
So, Tanveer, with your, I hope you will be quiet while I speak. And Arnab, I think it's time for us to say that we, the people of India, must solemnly resolve to put this cabal in its place, to expose it and show the world how this cabal cherry picks facts, mangles them, distorts them and manipulates them to create an anti-national propagandist a goal and objective, which is used, and this is a refrain that is there in all the articles and all the material promoted and propagated by them. There is propaganda. So they are anti-India propagandists. And yes, it is a craft, and they are the spin doctors, and they've worked at it ardently, sincerely for years. They have used Muslims, and you remember what happened with Shaheen Bagh, as political bait. They used the Dalits. Do you remember what happened with Rohit Varmula case? And now they're using the Kisans. So it is a pattern. They will continue to do that. And I think because they can't have all the Mazdoor unions are not there, so they can't use it. So these are the three segments they use them as constituencies for their purpose of anarchy and nihilism, destruction. And they thrive in this chaos. Whereas, and they have a problem with anybody who loves the country, who wants to showcase India in all its glory. They have an issue with that. You know what Arvind Kejriwal did? On 26th of January, he boycotted the Republic Day. I was still in Aam Aadmi Party, but I was the only one who did not agree with this and decided not to be a part of it. That was the first day when I decided to part ways with this party and with this man and with this demagoguery that was
You are saying this was always part of a plan, Shazia. Are you saying that this was, Shazia, always part of a plan? That even when you were in the Aam Aadmi Party, you would see that they would use 26th day for these reasons. Are you saying that you're revealing something?
Yes, absolutely. Yes, I'm revealing something. I was party and privy to a lot of conversation. And I was an insider. And I was the only one who stayed out. Arvind Kejriwal slept on the streets, on the roads and said, we will boycott it. Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan were there. They were very much a part of it. So please understand that this is how they work. This is how they think. And I've been an insider who could not bear it. And you know what happened? No, let me finish. Tanveer, just another. So there is a purpose, there is a mission, there is a goal. And they're working at it. It's a major revelation. There is a lot of money riding on it. On demolishing, on working on anti-India and, making India a place and calling it unsafe for democracy, unsafe for Muslims, unsafe for farmers, unsafe. Why? Because you want to vilify, of course, Modi ji, but this is a deep-seated anger they have and against the country. They hate the idea of India. They hate the idea of India. They don't want a strong India. They don't want a secular India.
Shazia, I think you're done.
Yes.
Shazia,
okay, start off. Yeah, start off, Tanveer. Be my guest. Bro,
I couldn't hear Tanveer at all.
Be my guest, bro.
I still can't hear Tanveer.
Arnab, Shazia started saying that we the people of India have solemnly resolved. But Arnab, Shazia started, they are not hearing me. Can you hear me now, Arnab? Arnab, can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Yeah, go on.
Arnab, as Shazia started saying that we the people of India solemnly resolved, but she forgot. The same preamble says that justice, social, economic, political, liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith and worship. I think this is
I know it all. I know it by heart.
Every
justice,
citizen
social,
of this
economic
country
and political.
Definitely deserves it. Shazia, let me finish it, please. Shazia, I don't have a mundane, the speech like yours. Let me have it. Arnab, I believe that 26th of January is sacred.
It
is sacred not only for the forces, for every individual of this country. Every individual of this country. Every individual of this country, definitely it is sacred. But you cannot have one portion of the population who's struggling and the government is not listening. I think they have 16 more days. Call the farmers, resolve the issue, make the farmers part of that Republic Day parade. That is exactly what we are looking. Nobody wants to disrupt. To hell with Yogendra Yadav, to hell with Rahul Gandhi, to hell with any person to hell with Akar Patel. But You cannot ignore the farmers just because Yogendra Yadav is coming for his political agenda. You cannot ignore farmers because Rahul Gandhi is making that as part of agenda. We are a farmers party. We could have sent 10,000 people to Delhi. No, we didn't do it because we want Republic Day parade to be a national day parade, and we really honor it. But you cannot ignore farmers at all. You please call the farmers and resolve. The Prime Minister should intervene now. High time. Till when are they going to really play with that poor agriculture minister who knows nothing about his subject? When are we going to... Amit Shah, through my sources, I came to know that Amit Shah is totally disturbed. He never expected this farmers movement to really be so big. Today when it is so big, Mr. Home Minister, please come resolve. Listen to them. Their issues are very simple. They are annadatas. They want to really provide food in your table, in your plate. And if at all you don't listen to annadata, it is absolutely shameless thing to do it. I request the Prime Minister, I request the Home Minister and the incompetent Agriculture Minister to listen to them and resolve the issue. That's exactly what the farmers are. And we would be really happy if 10 farmers with their tractors are going. It is going to be a national history.
Comes in,
and let them be part of the history.
Shefali comes in, I want to make a small intervention. Before Shefali comes in, I want to make a small intervention. The talks with the farmers are on, number one. The talks with the farmers are continuing, number two. The talks with the farmers are on issues. They have changed the goalposts and introduced new issues of late. Point number four, Tanveer, you spoke, I didn't intervene. Talks are not held with a Damocles sword of blackmail on the other side. If the farmer leaders are sure of the merit of their arguments, they have to argue on merits. They cannot argue on threats. Finally, there is a Supreme Court intervention and a watch on the matter as well. As believers in the rule of law, we must follow what the Supreme Court does. You cannot say we won't care for the Supreme Court, we won't care for the elected government, we won't care for Parliament, we want it our way or the highway. Finally, the symbolism of it is something that we must not forget. 26 January was chosen as Republic Day because it coincided with the anniversary of Purna Swaraj Day. This day is important to me. You may feel it can be played around with, but I feel it cannot be played around with. It cannot be reduced to an occasion for political gimmickry. Point number one. Point number two, this is not some kind of a game going on. Today is a quarter-final, semi-final, final, trailer, see what we do, see what chaos we create on Republic Day. It will not be allowed. If you want to act as puppets of external forces on a day that coincides with, which honors those who fought to ensure Purna Swaraj, then you are really crossing the limit. And one point I want to make before Shefali comes in. You can say whatever, but you will not be able to counter this point. This is a day to put nation first, forces first. It is a day to be proud to be Indian, to forget differences, not to confound them. Shaheen Bagh 2020. Don't tell me it is an accident. Every day you want to spoil Republic Day. Shaheen Bagh 26 January. Right? You were saying Jinnah Wali Azadi. 26 January 2020. These the same people were yelling Jinnah Wali Azadi. You think it's a coincidence? Point number two, and viewers, please use the hashtag 26 Jan is sacred. The government should be tougher. The government should be tougher with anarchists. The Modi government should be more tough with anarchists. Should not go soft. 26 January 2020, celebration of anarchist agenda, Prashant Bhushan. Prashant Bhushan was inciting people to quote-unquote reclaim the republic, claiming, and I quote, on the 70th year of the founding of the Republic, remember what our founding fathers promised to us? Are we moving towards those or moving away from the goals? Well, Mr. Prashant Bhushan, with people like you celebrating anarchy, you are trying your best to move away from those goals. You want to stoke fear among minorities. Shazia mentioned that point, and I will close with this. 26 January 2019, ladies and gentlemen, Lutyens media was celebrating articles that said Darul Uloom Deoband issues circular asking students to not travel on Republic Day. This offers an insight into fears that prevent sections of Indians from leading normal lives, even on a day as reassuring as glorious as Republic Day. So you were trying to incite minorities on Republic Day 2019. You were trying to incite minorities on Republic Day 2020. You were trying to incite farmers on Republic Day 2021. I rest my case. Shefali on the debate now. Shefali on the debate now with D.K. Giri. Yes, please.
Thank you, Arnab, and I would request the other gentleman to please let me have my say, because I don't have the lung power that the other side has. It is very sad that this group of uncouth, unsatisfied, unelectable professional protesters like Yogendra Yadav, who protest against everything basically, are now protesting against 26th January. 26th January is a national day. It's a national celebration. It's not a party celebration. It's not a political celebration. It's not a celebration of the elected Prime Minister. It is a celebration of the valor of our forces. It is a celebration of our military might. It's a celebration of our industrial growth. It's a celebration of our cultural diversity. It's a celebration of our young children who have performed acts of extreme valor. It's a celebration of our soldiers who have performed extremely well against external enemies. It's the day we honor them. It's the day we give them gallantry awards. My question to these guys who are protesting against 26th January is, why do you hate soldiers? Why do you hate India so much? Why do you hate the bravery of our brave hearts? Why do you like China so much? Why do you want to celebrate China? Which is why you don't want us to celebrate our soldiers who fought bravely against China in Ladakh. What is it? Is China paying you? Is China paying Akar Patel? Is China paying Yogesh Yadav? Yogendra Yadav? What is it? Why is this same gang against everything that is to do with India and India's national pride? Any India's achievement, any of India's achievement, Indian vaccine, they are opposed to it. Chandrayaan, they are opposed to it. Indian national celebrations, they are opposed to it. Anything that India does, anything that India is proud of, anything that Indians are proud of, this little gang of disgruntled professional protesters, they are against it. Question is why? Who's paying them? The fact is, by not supporting the 26th January celebrations and by saying that we should boycott it, you are insulting our constitution, the very constitution that gives you the democratic right to say that you can protest. It's an insult to India. It's an insult to the nation. It's an insult to every patriotic Indian. And remember, you guys are in a minority. One Ravi Srivastava shouting in a TV studio does not make this great nation. So shout as much as you want. Everybody is seeing it. My question...
But you should also respect the minority. You have got the fundamentals wrong, Mr. Bali. Yeah, you have got these fundamentals wrong. Let me tell you. You are saying you love the humanity, but you don't like the human beings. Let me give you the answer.
You hate India. That's your problem.
Let me counter it. You are full of figments of your imagination.
Your problem is
when you finish.
Everyone who fights for India.
When you finish.
That is why you want to boycott 26th January, which is a national celebration. It's not a Prime Minister celebration. The President, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, is the one who accepts the salute.
Or no, if this lady finishes, then I would say something. I mean, one cannot go on filibustering.
And you hate the army. You hate India's strength. You hate India's scientific progress. You hate everything that is good and happy about India, which is why you are protesting.
Yes.
You are just
Yes, you have said it. You have made your point about your nationalism.
You don't have the political power. That is why you are trying to expose.
Can I react to this lady?
1 minute. I was looking back. I was looking back. Please don't call. Please don't say that Shefali is filibustering. She can say the same for you. I want to just make Mr. Giri. Mr. Giri, may I be permitted?
No, I have not even opened my mouth.
I have stopped. You can say what you want.
Please.
I understand that. But Mr. Giri, one point. Mr. Giri, one point. Shefali, viewers, please note, and we need the collective power of the people of this country to counter these forces. And I do believe, viewers, and they may say that, oh, you are a right-winger or extreme right-winger. I am a right-winger because I'm right. If I'm an extreme right-winger, it's because I'm extremely right. I do believe that the elected government of the country should stop tolerating anarchists in the name of respecting dissidents. Dissidence also happens within the contours of law. Dissidence that breaks law is a danger for our country. The government should not go soft versus these people. Blackmail, when encouraged beyond a point, can lead to a torrent and a ceaseless cycle of blackmail. A blackmailer must be exposed and taken on. There must be no hostages in that situation. Israel could fight terrorists because it realized at a certain point in its history that it is not going to negotiate with terrorists. Similarly, any situation where you are subject to unfair demands is not acceptable. Talks with farmers is okay, but the threat to disrupt Republic Day is absolutely not. Now, a small intervention, please. My point is, viewers, that every year in January they do this, which means cyclically, Manojit Mandal and Rohit Dev must come into the debate. Cyclically, every January they create this issue. They try to ruin Republic Day. I'll give you an example. 2015, sections of Lutyens media with this group tried to stoke a controversy saying secular and socialist ideas cannot be killed because a particular government does not like them, alleging that the government advertisement skipped the words socialist and secular from the picture of the preamble, when all that the advertisement was that it was a representation of the preamble by the founding fathers. They made it a controversy, and that was right after Modi was first elected Prime Minister in 2014. Now let's go to 2016, Rohit. Let's look at the pattern. 26 January 2016, Kavita Krishnan tweets, school students in Bihar are saying Republic Day must mean asking where is Najib, why was Dika killed, why no justice for Rohit? Yeah. And they were galvanizing justice for Rohit protests on Independence Day in London, when we all know the reasons behind the case of Rohit Vemula. So again, it was a very well calibrated strategy. That was 1 year and 6 months after Narendra Modi was elected as Prime Minister. Now let me move to 2017. 2017, they started the Award Wapsi movement. See, look at the history. And then G. Rajashekar rejected Sahitya Academy Award saying intolerance, etc. 2 years and 5 months after Narendra Modi was elected. Every year in January, viewers, please note, Rohit, every year in a predictable, rehearsed and calibrated manner, they want to destroy Republic Day. I ask you, Rohit, am I a criminal because I am asking? There must be a counter movement in this country against these people. Let there be a solid challenge to their ideas of chaos and anarchy. Let us not remain mute spectators and tolerant instead.
Arnab, good afternoon. Let's start on this day itself. First of all, our nation cannot be held hostage to the inimical cabal, which you ascribe rightly as Tukde Tukde gang. And it comes in all shades, from polity to the media in this country, duly supported and funded by the evil nexus. And there is a pattern, Arnab. The first pattern you have alluded to is every January. The second pattern is how the Chinese funding, money and the strategy is working both in the United States of America, which is the oldest democracy, and our country, which is the largest. And if you see the pattern, right from the Black Lives Matter pattern to now to Shaheen Bagh, the government has done exceedingly well in Shaheen Bagh to give them time to tighten the noose by a long rope and get the evidences. Here also, they have done the same. The government is pro-farmer. The government, since the day it has come, right from the Ministry of Petroleum to Renewable Energy to Agriculture Ministry, are working on pro-farmer strategies. If you are trying to usurp that and turn it around to an anti-national movement, this country is going to knock your socks off. Dwindle the feelings. They tried extremely hard after Balakot. The two pillars of our country, Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan. These clowns, after Balakot, questioned the Indian army on the garb of questioning the Prime Minister of the day. The same very clowns are today questioning the ethos of our country by siding with and standing with the farmer who is quite innocent and only demanding his fair share, which the government is willing to listen to, but they are giving the motive, it's my way or the highway. I must say very, very unapologetically on this channel, the time has come. These people need to be called out. For last 2 days, I've been trying to tell on social media that Republic is not my employer. They want me to be sacked from Republic. So that is the kind of intent and content they have to make sure that the voices we speak for our nation are subdued and buried. It will not happen no more. Day is here for 26 January to be taken to our hearts and to be very sure that we salute the flag and salute the brave soldiers and our country which has stood steadfast.
Your nation is not a secular India. Your nation is a Hindu Rashtra. That is the problem.
Come in and talk some rubbish. Lastly, let me tell you, Mr. Ramesh Swasthya, just
you are
one
a
last
religious
parting
fanatic,
thought.
you know.
I'm not a
You are a
religious fanatic
religious
by any
fanatic. So,
means.
you know, your concept of India
Right,
is twisted.
right, mister.
Your
You are
concept of
absolutely
India
right.
is not a
Antaryami,
secular,
you know what I
which
feel.
believes in
That's
Ambedkar's
pathetic.
constitution.
Just keep
Your
quiet.
concept
Don't
of
put up your
India
mouth
is Hindu
unnecessarily.
Rashtra. That is the
So,
problem.
Arnab, I want to tell you that whatever
Basically,
they may
now,
do,
see, firstly,
whatever
the
they
Kisans
may
are sitting
do,
on the borders of the
I am
nation.
giving you a
If they want to
open challenge
celebrate
of
26th of January their way,
there will
what is
be
your problem?
a tableau of
Why do
New
you
India.
want to
Communist.
stop
There
them?
will be
That is
Why
abuse
do you want to
enough.
stop the farmers?
democracy.
भैया किसान सेलिब्रेट करेगा अपने तरीके से करेगा
Why do you want to stop the jawans? Why do you want to stop the soldiers?
शिफाली ने बोला
On that day,
that सारे किसान सोल्जर्स के खिलाफ हैं किसान कब से सोल्जर्स के खिलाफ हो गए आप लोग प्लीज ये अंबानी साहब अडानी साहब के कहने पे
अरे तू किसान है?
के कहने पे प्लीज डोंट
अरे तू किसान है?
नो प्लीज डोंट हेट द फार्मर्स प्लीज डोंट हेट द फार्मर्स
बीजेपी का चमचा,
आप पैसे वैसे ले लो बीजेपी से
बीजेपी का चमचा है तू किसान नहीं है।
आप प्लीज
ये बड़ा फार्मर नजर आया।
It's not good. Don't hate the farmers so much. No, General Bakshi, don't hate the farmers so much.
No,
you should not.
No, the point to make is...
No, you should not hate the farmers. See, if the farmers
They are
want
the
to
sons of farmers.
celebrate. If the farmers want to celebrate 26th of January, why is Mr. Bakshi
The nation must not
why
celebrate
doesn't
the
General
Republic
Bakshi
Day.
want
The farmers are not part
to
of
be
the
a part of this nation?
What do you mean?
No, General Bakshi, आप किसानों को देश का पार्ट क्यों नहीं मानते हो?
You despicable communist! You despicable communist agent of China!
कुछ भी बोलो,
Chinese! You are a Chinese!
Please do not cool down. Do not consider the farmers second-grade citizens. It's wrong. It's wrong.
You cool down, Vivek.
Please do not consider the farmers second-grade
Without this heckless disturbance.
One minute.
It is very important.
A minute.
Please.
Thank you, Vivek. I'm getting in someone else on the debate right now. I'm getting in Monojit on the debate. Monojit is on the debate. Calm down. With Monojit will debate with Professor Kapil Kumar, please.
Yes, if I can.
Please. You see, Monojit, a small intervention. 1 minute. First of all, Monojit, I'd say one thing, please. I'm making limited interventions, but Sir, Professor, you're both professors.
Please.
We're both professors. Allow me to make a 1-minute intervention, and then I will hand it over to a debate between Professor Mandal and Professor Kapil Kumar.
Yes.
Please. My point is, I truly believe our government is being too lenient with these groups. Point one. And by the groups, I don't mean farmers. By the groups, I mean what Shazia called, what Shefali called the professional protesters. We need professionals in this country, not professional protesters. And you do this through the year. But I am saying today to you, I'm countering you saying 26 Jan is sacred. 1 minute. You know, Monojit, people like us, we sacrifice everything, including our liberty to fight for democracy. We are not professional protesters. I'm saying it clearly, Shazia, today.
Absolutely.
We sacrifice everything, including our liberty to fight for democracy. When governments put us in jail on trumped-up charges, we know, and I would say like a mentor and a father figure to be General Bakshi knows what I have been through. And yet we don't complain because we do it for our country. Now the problem is, I am saying today, you do anything, that's not, but 26 Jan, no, when I come out, and you know, we come out of jail having fought these battles, Shazia, and we fight. And then we find that on 26 January, even 26 January, these people don't spare. You know, what Omar Khalid, what did he say last February? Last February, when Donald Trump was to arrive on 24th February, they said, "Hum tamam log sadko pe nikal aaye jayenge, aap log aayenge."
Why bring this person in
again? And after
again?
that, there was a Delhi riot, 54 people were killed. It is wrong. Why not? Why not? Why? Because last year they were spoiling.
You love him so much.
I remember I
Why not?
went to South Korea to Seoul.
If you love Umar
I was
Khalid
in
so
Seoul
much,
and I
we
saw
can't help.
Indian flag being desecrated.
If you
could not
wish
bear
to
it.
make this person a glorious one,
saw
that
the
is your
Indian flag
problem.
being
The
desecrated
fact,
in Seoul by
Shazia,
the
let me speak.
Pakistanis.
I've been waiting for an hour. You are talking about republic. You are talking about liberty. We don't have any freedom of speech on your show. What kind of a republic is this? I'm meaning your channel. Let me speak. You see, the fact remains that the republic, the res publica, is a public thing. It is not a politician's thing.
Professor Kumar, please wait.
If these people are suffering, the politicians must go out and solve these problems. Whatever they are demanding should be the biggest grift on this particular Republic Day. And this government in the center must consider that. Remember, Arnab, law is not meant for the people. Law is to benefit the people. If the farmers understand that these laws are not beneficial, they must be chucked out. They must be repealed. But they can't. They are the people. They are the public thing. They own the public thing of the republic. Not we, the handful of politicians, but these people. And they must be given their due. When you talk about your, I was yesterday. I was watching the babies dying in Mumbai, and look at the tragedy of this nation.
No, why don't
we have not held a single debate on what was happening in Maharashtra.
Why don't you? No.
On
For that you ask the state government. No,
you held a debate for 100 days.
Ask the state government.
100 days together, you held a debate on Sushant Singh Rajput.
You asked the state government.
Babies are dying in Maharashtra.
You asked the state government.
You did not hold
Professor
a single
Kumar is on
debate
the. You
on
asked the
them.
state government there.
This is the tragedy
you asked the
of this
Uddhav government
nation.
there.
Let us
You asked the
vow on this
Uddhav government
Republic
there.
Day
You asked the
to
Uddhav
get
government
these
there.
things right.
We have reported,
Rather
we have
than
questioned. Now I come back to the
something
subject.
which did not happen. You are talking about. You are extremely right. Look at the kind of wrong
What
things
did I
that you
say?
have done in Sushant's case.
What did I say?
You were wrong.
Every year you've done
It is
this.
still
When I
not
mention
proven
Omar
that you are
Khalid, you
right
were
in
uncomfortable.
Sushant's case. You
I am
held
saying
the
one
debate
thing
for
to
the
you. Sir,
longest
1 minute.
period of
Sir,
your
1
time.
minute.
In the
1
history
minute.
of your
Professor Mandal,
channels
can I
for
ask
the
you a
last
counter
3
question?
years,
Can I ask you a counter question, Professor Mandal, or will you not allow me to ask you a counter question as well because you believe you will not be able to deflect it? My question to you is this, Professor Mandal. My question to you is this, Professor Mandal. My question to you is this, Professor Mandal, and listen to me.
That is the tragedy of your
Listen to me.
by the name of Republic.
Listen to me, sir. Sir, 1 minute. Don't tell me about my channel. We've done the most investigative reports on what happened in Maharashtra. Now my point to you is this. Understand and listen, Professor. I'm not your student, okay? So listen to me. So I'm not your student. This is not your lecture room. So listen to me. Now listen to me. There was a long debate yesterday. You don't know anything yesterday. You may not have been on it, but that doesn't mean it was not there. So be quiet and don't spread lies. Listen to me. Professor, now this is the limit, right?
When Sushant Singh
Yeah, can you calm down? That's why. Yeah, that's why. We feel more for the Republic than all you anti-nationals. Now listen to me.
Answer the question.
Now
you
listen
held
to me.
100 days
Now
debate
listen to
on
me.
Sushant Singh Rajput. You are right.
Okay.
You are extremely right. What happened?
I
to
will
Sushant Singh
answer. Arnab, I will answer him. Arnab, I will answer him. Let him leave it to me. I will answer him. Give it to me and I will answer him.
Go on.
Listen. Yes, they are right when they are using the word farmer because they are not using the word peasant. They are not using the word agricultural laborer. They are asking you to concede to the demands of those farmers who have 500 acres of land, who have 300 acres of land, who don't allow the middle peasant to come up to the mandi also, who don't allow the poor peasant to come to the mandi also, who are sitting there in trucks making their drawing rooms, who are chewing cashew nuts there, who are having pizzas there. They are calling farmers. I'm very happy that, and these farmers are the ones who have been defended by Congress since 47. And this left representative talking of farmers, he has forgotten the agricultural laborers. These are the farmers who have become farmers at the cost of agricultural labor from Bihar, UP and Rajasthan by exploiting them. And they speak against Adani Ambani, whose tractors they are using. Let them stop using the tractors of industries.
Union is a part of the agitation. It belonged to the party from where you were chucked out. And today you have forgotten BKMU. And BKMU.
Professor Kapil Kumar.
Are you shut up? You bloody Jinping agent. Shut up. When you can't answer, you delay. You can't answer me. You answer my question. You answer my question. You damn anti-national communist. You answer my question. Shut down for Communist Party. Go to hell with. अरे go to hell with your Communist Party. तुम सब जो है, तुम बिके हुए हो. चीन सबसे बड़ा जमींदार है दुनिया का. China is the biggest capitalist today.
बैठा है. Labor Union बैठे हैं.
You are China's slave. You are China's slave. You Vivek Srivastava.
ये छोड़ो चाइना वियतनाम.
जब तुम पे जवाब नहीं होता था तो तू ऐसे ही बोलता है. अरे मेरे क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे. मेरे सवाल का जवाब दे. काजू खाने वाले
I wish to make a few points briefly. I wish to make viewpoints briefly.
They can't
I just wanted to say, I find it
can I make a point before you come in, sir?
People like
can I please, because you are all becoming very violent on the program. DK, listen to me. I'm intervening. Madhu Kishwar has joined the debate. Please be calm. Please be calm. Please welcome. Please be calm. Please, okay, now please be calm.
I have not opened my mouth, Arnav. You called me out on Shefali. You let Shefali speak. I did not speak a word.
I am coming to you, DK. I am coming to you, but with a question. I am coming to you, but with a question. So what is the problem if I ask my question, peacefully hand over to you, you debate with Madhu Kishwar, this debate is very important and I can tell you.
This kind of language, this kind of attitude, gesticulation, let's have a civil debate. Look at the way farmers are behaving, so reasonable. And we are becoming unreasonable national TV. You talk about the reasoning, the farmers are reasonably behaving for the last 3 months. Not just for 1 month, mind you, not
yes.
for fast protest.
Yeah, but bringing down towers is reasonable.
No Jogendra Yadav was there. No Jogendra Yadav was there. No these gundas or leftists in a group were there. They are putting up
the photographs of terrorists there is reasonable.
Okay,
this is reasonable. Putting up terrorists over there is reasonable.
Okay.
Putting up terrorists there is reasonable.
Can I please request the new panelists to come in, please? DK Giri and Madhu Kishwar.
Why you allow them?
DK Giri and Madhu Kishwar are on the debate. Thank you.
Why you have brought them as your guest? Why you have brought them as your guest?
I'm going to DK Giri and Madhu Kishwar. Viewers, the reason is what remains is that, ladies and gentlemen, what remains is that the Republic Day, what does it stand for? It stands for a united India. So my view is that people who are not comfortable with the thought of a united India try to use this day to divide our country. There are many things which divide us, Professor Giri and Madhu Kishwar, but there are a few things which bring us together. We must celebrate the things that bring us together. Now, a couple of things just to give it a historical perspective. A couple of things, please. And the point is this, viewers. 26 January was decided unanimously, viewers, by the Constituent Assembly to honor the freedom fighters of our country, of our country's independence, who had observed Purna Swaraj Divas on the same day on 26 January 1930. So it's historically a very important day, and if those who don't respect the idea of Purna Swaraj and what happened in 1930 are doing this today, 90 years later, then they don't respect our country's history. In fact, divisions came together on this, divisions were obliterated on this day, because in 1963, a person with whom I personally have severe differences with, you know, I do not agree with the Nehruvian construct of this country, with his views, with the way he operated, the systems he put in function, but Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru invited the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh to be part of the march past. That, I feel, was still a great sign of national unity in 1963, right? There was a sanctity to 26 January. And every state of the country is represented in the Republic Day parade. So every state is there. There is a symbolism to that also. It's a collective celebration of the Indian Constitution. And therefore, I am only making a limited point that if you do not respect this, and right after the 1971 War of Liberation, the Indian Army which spearheaded the Dhaka operations, gave a military guard of honor to the founding father of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Right? So you must understand there is a sanctity to these kind of events. They are not militaristic as people say. The Indian military is a sign of national unity as well. When you use the word, it's just a militaristic parade. What would India be without its military? These are some points that I just want to put in perspective. Please debate forward. DK Giri now, and then Madhu Kishwar will respond to you. The debate today, Madhu Kishwar, is on the hashtag 26 Jan is sacred. DK Giri, please. Tipira, I'll come to you. Yeah.
I like your forthright. Yes, I like your research, rigor and forthrightness. That's why I like you. But I'm worried which day what you are arguing. But on Republic Day, I am completely at one with you. This is a symbol of national unity, our heritage, our diversity and all that. And the fringe elements who are trying to disrupt it are very few. But I just want to make one small point. Now I speak briefly. I am worried about the tone and tenor of the presentation by people like Sefali and Sajia. Let me tell you one metaphor. Somebody said, I like the humanity, but it is the human beings I cannot stand. I am proud about my nation, but it is nationalities I am allergic to. Nation is not an abstract entity. It is a living reality consisting of all kinds of people, opponents, proponents, different color, different religion, the diversity you are talking about. If somebody is making a point, we must respect it. And I will end by saying, quoting the famous Voltaire, he said, I may not agree with you, but I defend to my death your right to say so. Let us respect opposition, let us respect dissent, but not on Republic Day. I'm making a distinction. I'm with you or not. But when they say that these are the people, they are the people, in a democracy there are all kinds of people. And they're full of contradictions. Somebody was saying what happened in Capitol Hill. It is not the people. It is a contradiction. It is the president who incited the violence. So this defies any definition. You see? And someone also said that our military represents 80% of the farmers. Correct? So the point is about the farmers. We try to divide them, discredit them, and divert the attention. This did not work. Somebody was talking of laborers. It's about farm laws. Talk to our people. There are people. Negotiate. That is the essence of democracy, and resolve it. If a government with all its might, communication skills, PR is not able to talk the farmers into these laws, it is a failure of the government, not the farmer.
One line and I hand over to Madhu Kishwar.
Yeah.
One line and I hand over to Madhu Kishwar. One line and I hand over to Madhu Kishwar. I also like your research, your point of view, your inherent nationalism. But and that is why I like you too. But I must say that we cannot broad brush everyone. You see, I'm not anti-farmer. But I am nationalist sentiment eludes this lobby, and one line I will say before I hand over to Madhu is that you remember when Sarjeel Imam stood in front of a national flag in his university on 17th January last year, and 9 days before Republic Day, and he said if 5 lakh people are organized, we can cut off Northeast India from the rest of India permanently, at least for 1 month. I was shocked when I saw that video for the first time.
He's in jail.
And our battle began on that day when I saw that video, and we decided to take it off.
Don't give him any time.
So, No, that's all right, that's all. But the question now I hand over to Madhu Kishwar, please.
Arnab, I can't hear you. I can't.
Yes. Yeah, you are loud and clear. We can hear you.
Okay. Arnab,
we can hear you.
The tragedy is
we can hear you, Madhu.
That this... Can you? Okay. I said the tragedy is no matter how much you try to persuade, argue rationally, no matter how much the government bends and bows, this agitation is out to create chaos. It has nothing to do with farmers. And that's why there are posters like, I just got some photographs. जिस दिन मोदी मरेगा उस दिन ये धरना उठेगा. In Punjabi, I am translating it to you. The day Modi dies, that is the day we are going to lift this dharna.
Oh my God.
It has nothing to do with farmers' demands, and they're saying it. Secondly, no, I'll send you that poster. I have it on my phone. Secondly, and there are many such slogans there. It's exactly like what was happening in Shaheen Bagh, where even little girls, little kids were used to shout slogans asking for the death of Amit Shah and Modi. It's the same people, same characters who are there, the Yogendra Yadavs and the Break Up India gang, all the players are there. This is an attempt to not just blackmail and humiliate the government, but bring it down. It's exactly what Shaheen Bagh tried to do by saying there'll be Shaheen Baghs all over the country, there'll be riots all over the country. And people like Yogendra Yadav have been saying it, Khoon ki nadiyan bahengi, Modi aayega jis din. I have quoted him to the Election Commission. These were speeches he was making in 2014. कि देश में खून की नदियां बहेंगी अगर मोदी आएगा. Now the sad thing is, for Yogendra Yadav, Modi has not obliged by allowing riots to continue. They are frustrated. Modi or Yogi or all BJP chief ministers crack down heavily the moment they try to create riots. They are frustrated. First they use the minority card, then they use the women's card, freedom of choice card with love jihad. Now they got the farmers. It's well known Khalistanis, Maoists, anarchists and all the usual suspects of the Break Up India gang are leading it. And the tragedy is that the government did not anticipate that. And the other thing, and one last thing I want to say, please. I have never before seen an agitation against any government for accepting all the demands that farmers made in the last 50 years. I have personally witnessed farmers' movements 30 years. I've taken part in countless agitations of farmers when they were actually making these demands. They were defying the law at that time. They were quoting arrests in hundreds of thousands to say one nation, one market. We don't want monopoly of the APMC. We want freedom to sell our grain wherever we like. And Punjab farmers and BKU led those agitations. Lakhs of them quoted arrest, demanding freedom to trade, freedom to sell their products wherever they got a good price, and all the rest. Now, I've never before in history seen an agitation against a government which has accepted each and every of the long-standing demands of the farmers. I mean, it's outrageous. It's absolutely appalling.
You are,
and for somebody
you make an incredible take an incredible position. You know, you are taking an incredible position, Madhu Kishore. If they are not, they are Maoist, anarchist, and they are Khalistani. Then government should crack down on them. Why is government inviting them for negotiations? Why has government had 7 or 8 rounds of negotiations?
Government does not see it this way.
You see it this way. No, you see it this way.
Exactly as Shaheen Bagh died, this agitation is going to die a similar inglorious
government
death.
does not agree with you.
No, you
we
must also. No, the point is, one second. Life is. May I to Madhu Kishore and may I to Madhu Kishore and may I to Madhu Kishore.
Such luxury on the streets.
No, may I to Madhu. Yeah, may I to Madhu Kishore and Professor Giri come in with a line?
Yeah.
See, the question being asked is, and I want General to come in. 1 minute. I want General to come in, but I want to make a point. General Bakshi has been wanting to come in for a while, and Professor Giri asks a question, and it makes me think. He says, why then does the government not crack down brutally, go all out, use force, etc.? You must understand, sir, let us be mature. We are not in a child's play out here. You see, the government is in a bind. It is damned if you do and damned if it doesn't. If the government doesn't, it's a Shaheen Bagh situation. If the government doesn't act, right, then people like us say the government has gone soft. If the government acts, then people like DK Giri will be the first one to say you're violating human rights. Right? So I must say that it is a little bit of a Hobson's choice for the government.
Wrong. Not on
Khalistanis, we are not China.
Maoist
But that does not mean that does not mean that blackmail can be allowed.
Anarchist and
I'm
Maoist.
sorry. Can I get the general in, please?
No, but Madhu
Sir, I did not generalize and call everyone Khalistanis at all. But it is a fact that Khalistani organizations and Canadian politicians were trying to interfere.
But our government's attitude to all these three groups is
as an old veteran,
I'm only saying spare 26 January.
Can I make an appeal as a soldier and a veteran? Sir, Arnab, I as a soldier and a veteran would like to make a humble appeal to all my farmer brothers. You have 364 days in a year to do what you want. But on this day, please spare us. आपके बेटे उस दिन परेड पर होंगे. गुरतेज, सिपाही गुरतेज, जो कि 12 चीनियों को अपनी कृपाण से मार के मरा गलवान की घाटी में, उसको इज्जत बख्शेगी सरकार, उसको उसके जैसे साथियों को इज्जत बख्शी जाएगी. क्या आप उसको रोकना चाहते हैं? क्या आप उसको रोकना चाहते हैं? The only thing Indian about India is the Indian Army. आपकी फौज है, आपकी फौज है, किसानों की फौज है. आपके बेटे वहां पे होंगे. आप गुरतेज सिंह को नहीं चाहते कि जिसने 12 चीनी मारे, अपनी कृपाण से मारे, उसको इज्जत ना बख्शी जाए. उसको इज्जत नहीं बख्शना चाहते आप.
अर्नब,
एक दिन
मैं जीडी बख्शी साहब के साथ हूं. अर्नब,
एक दिन
जीडी बख्शी साहब, जनरल साहब, देश आपके साथ है. आज आपने जो कहा हम भी वही कहेंगे किसान भाइयों को कि 364 डेज आपका प्रोटेस्ट जारी रखिएगा. ये 26 जनवरी ये देश का सेलिब्रेशन का दिन है. पर सरकार को भी हम अपील करेंगे कि तब तक आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लीजिए. किसानों से खास तौर से हम भी अपनी पार्टी की ओर से हाथ जोड़कर अपील करते हैं कि उस दिन 26 जनवरी को देश की शक्ति का प्रदर्शन होता है, देश की एक अस्मिता का प्रदर्शन होता है. उस दिन को रोक नहीं लगाना चाहिए. कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इसको यूज करती है तो कंट्री इज वॉचिंग देम. मैं जीडी बख्शी के साहब के साथ हूं, उनकी बात का सम्मान करता हूं और आपके चैनल के जरिए से मैं भी अपने किसान भाइयों को हाथ जोड़ के अपील करता हूं कि आपका उस दिन का एक दिन का प्रोटेस्ट आप वापस ले लीजिएगा. योगेंद्र यादव, दूसरे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, सुरजेवाला, जो कोई भी आपको डीरेल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उनकी लुभावनी बातों में मत आइएगा, क्योंकि ये देश है, देश आपका है और देश के साथ हमको खड़ना चाहिए और आर्मी का हम सब सम्मान करते हैं. जीडी बख्शी साहब, इस बात पर मैं आपके साथ हूं. दूसरे में मेरा और आपका मतभेद है, मेरा और आपका.
Okay, Vivek and Tanveer. Vivek versus Tanveer. Yeah. See, Vivek is now countering Tanveer, you see, because even Tanveer has moved to the side which says 26 Jan is sacred.
Tanveer,
so he's on the left and Vivek is upset with it.
Tanveer. No, the Tanveer here, I do not agree with you. 26 January is very much a festival even for an Indian farmer. And he has a right. He is not protesting against the government. He is not protesting against 26th of January. He is saying, हम भी आएंगे अपने ट्रैक्टर लेकर के. ये हमारा हिंदुस्तान है. ये हमारी 26 जनवरी है. अगर आप नहीं हमारी सुनोगे कोई बात नहीं. हमारा मुल्क है. हम अपने देश से प्यार करते हैं. हम भी आएंगे वहां पर. और मोदी सरकार अगर भारत के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के खिलाफ जा रही है,
What is telling you that a farmer
अमीरों के फेवर में बना रही है. गरीब किसान को,
Kapil is back. First Kapil.
No.
First Kapil and then Rohit. First Kapil and then Rohit, please. First Kapil and then Rohit.
What is wrong if a farmer comes there?
First Kapil and then Rohit. I'm coming to you, Rohit. First Kapil.
I appeal to the Indian government to let his farmers celebrate and facilitate.
Arnab, let me speak now. My first point is to the government. There is a solution. The solution could have been done very second day itself. Let the government say, we leave it to the states whether to adopt this bill or not. And the three things which government is saying they are ready to do, they should do it from themselves and said, we have done it. Why prolong these talks and why prolong these things?
DK.
No, then they
Leave
should.
it to the states.
Why
to follow
don't
the
they
bill
call
of
a
law.
special
It's a-
session of the
it's a
parliament?
corporate country.
भैया पार्लियामेंट बुलाओ और MSP गारंटी करो.
Shut up,
Parliament Where is the parliament? Why doesn't the government call the parliament?
CP Ryan, Kapil Kumar.
Arnab, stop him. You very parliamentarian.
It will not
Arnab, stop
work,
it.
creating division between the states and the center. So BJP governments will follow it and the other governments will not.
It is on the
This is
concrete list.
creating division between
It
the
is
states
on the
and the center.
concrete
This
list.
will not work.
It is on the concrete list. They don't follow many
Yeah, we
UGC
know
bills.
that. We all
It is
know
on
that.
the concrete
It is
list.
sta-
Leave it to the states.
No, it is.
Then why not?
we all
Then
know
what is
that.
the problem?
Brother,
Punjab
we
says-
all know that, but
Punjab
point
says
is-
they won't follow the bill. Kejriwal
Point is
has
that
drawn
when the parliament has
then why are
passed
they
it.
sitting? Then why are
No,
they
the
sitting?
states have passed to nullify it also.
And
Punjab
these
government has
rulers
not
shut down
and
the whole farmers of
You see,
India.
Mamata Banerjee is doing it, but that is not the spirit.
Then what is
That
the
is not the
problem then?
spirit. You know, we should appeal to
Then
the
what is
center.
the problem? Then
You
what
know,
is
the
the
states have
problem?
already
CP
nullified
Ryan,
some of
The
the
spirit
states.
is
CP Ryan, Shazia.
जाए तो मैं बोलूं
CP Ryan, Shazia are on the
मैं बीच में नहीं
debate.
बोलता
CP Ryan, Shazia are on the debate. CP Rai,
ये
CP
चीखने
Rai,
वाले
CP
चुप हो
Rai,
जाएं।
CP Rai and Shazia on the debate.
Yes.
CP Rai, let me, 1 minute. CP Rai, Shazia, 1 minute. Let me just control the debate for a minute, please. First of all, viewers, we are talking about a day which, 1 minute. Rai Saab, meri baat 1 minute, ek line, then I'm handing over to both of you. CP Rai ji, I want to make an intervention. First of all, this day celebrates our constitution, and I feel it is an insult to our constitution when freedom of speech is used as a defense to demand the release of urban Naxals who are accused of conspiring to organize crores of rupees for the supply of M4 rifles from foreign countries to wage war against the country and say me too urban Naxal. ये करोड़ों रुपए लेकर M4 जो कार्बाइन वाले राइफल्स होते हैं उसको लेकर वो देश में अंधाधुंध they want sophisticated weapons and they plan the assassination of the Prime Minister of India. These people were being celebrated. Point number 1. Point number 2, when you were making your opening remarks today, CP Rai, you said, and Shazia can debate with you, you said 26 January is sacred and so is 15th August. The whole country should be together in this. आपने ये बात कही थी, हमने tweet भी किया है Republic के handle से. But Mr. Rai, are you with India or against India? Because on 7th January, you retweeted a post. अपने ट्विटर हैंडल में जाइए आज और 7 जनवरी का एक मिनट ACP Rai, please, on 7th January you retweeted a post which said Capitol Hill दंगों में भारतीय झंडा ठहराने वाले जरूर अब की बार ट्रंप सरकार कहने वाले भारत के प्रधान सेवक के भक्त होंगे और वो कांग्रेस के सपोर्टर शशि थरूर के सपोर्टर निकले. आपने ये बात ट्वीट की थी. आप देश के साथ है कि देश के खिलाफ है भाई साहब? आप कहिए. और उसके साथ साथ योगेंद्र यादव कहते हैं दिस विल बी अ ट्रेलर फॉर व्हाट लाइज अहेड ऑन जनवरी 26. जी दीजिए और शाजिया जवाब विल रिप्लाई टू यू आफ्टर दैट.
अर्णब मैं अपनी बात कहूं?
जी कहिए.
अर्णब मैं अपनी बात बोलूं?
जी कहिए.
अर्णब मैं आई स्पीक नाउ?
जी अर्ज कीजिए.
मैं ओके, मैं तो इंटरप्ट नहीं करता इसलिए शाजिया प्लीज चुप रहिएगा, फिर आप बोलिएगा. आपने आपने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही.
अर्ज कीजिए
कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने, वैसे तो मेरे पास कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है उसका, लेकिन आपने कहा कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने आरएसएस को इनवाइट किया 26 जनवरी परेड में भाग लेने को. उसका मेरे पास कोई रिकॉर्ड अभी तक है नहीं. लेकिन कितनी बड़ी बात है, आपकी बात ही पहले कह देता हूं मैं, कि जिस आरएसएस ने पूरी आजादी की लड़ाई की पीठ में छुरा भोंका, मुखबरी की, तमाम स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को मरवाया, जो आरएसएस भारत के झंडे को जिसने डिस्कार्ड किया कि झंडा हमको पसंद नहीं, जिस आरएसएस ने कहा कि गणतंत्र का राज ये हमको पसंद नहीं,
मधुकेश्वर
के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कहा कि हमको पसंद नहीं, जिसने कहा कि जिसने डेमोक्रेसी को कहा कि पसंद नहीं, उसको भी जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने इनवाइट किया कि ठीक है आपने पहले जो किया सो किया. अगर उन्होंने किया था तो मेरे पास कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है. अगर इनवाइट किया था तो कितनी बड़ी बात है कि उन्होंने कहा ठीक है आजादी की लड़ाई में आपने चाहे जो किया हो, आओ अब मिल करके देश चलाते हैं. तो क्या आज ये नहीं हो सकता कि आज की सरकार कहे ठीक है डिफरेंसेस अपनी जगह है, आओ हम मिल करके सब कुछ करते हैं. और अर्णब आपने कई सारे सवाल उठाए मैं कुछ सवालों के जवाब दे देता हूं।
सरकार
आपने बार बार शाहीन बाग का जिक्र किया।
सरकार यही
शाहीन बाग में क्या किसानों ने शाहीन बाग में क्या किसानों ने दंगा किया? शाहीन बाग का दंगा तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कपिल मिश्रा ने करवाया। अमित शाह ने कहा कि 300 लोग पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश से आए उस दंगे में, वो कौन थे? ये निकम्मी सरकार उनको आज तक क्यों गिरफ्तार नहीं कर पाई? जेएनयू में जिन लोगों ने देश विरोधी नारे, उनको ये सरकार आज तक क्यों नहीं गिरफ्तार कर पाई? और ये अजीब बात है कि बीजेपी और आरएसएस के खिलाफ बोलना हो जाता है। ये कैसे होगा?
आपकी रट्टी रटाई स्पीच।
चीन आज अगर 1300 मील घुस गया है शादिया,
देखिए
शादिया अगर चीन आज 1300 मील घुस गया देश में,
आपकी पाठशाला जो
की गलती नहीं है,
मैं आपकी
किसानों की गलती नहीं है, ये सरकार की गलती है, ये सरकार की नाकामी है। अगर पुलवामा हुआ और 300 किलो आरडीएक्स आ गया, ये सरकार की नाकामी है। अगर दंगे हुए, ये सरकार की नाकामी है। और दंगे अगर नहीं हो रहे तो दंगाई तो सरकार में बैठा दिए गए।
अब आप चुप होंगे, ये आपके
अन्ना का आंदोलन चलाया आपने, क्या वो देशभक्ति थी? सरकार के मंत्री बात कर रहे थे और आप पूरे देश को डिस्टर्ब कर रहे थे, पूरे देश के सिस्टम को चलने नहीं दे रहे थे।
You're live right now, viewers. 26 Jan is sacred. This is a build-up here on the Republic Media Network, so that those people who want to disrupt Republic Day are never successful. Yes, please, Shazia, you are live.
क्या किसान गए थे कि मोदी गए थे? बिना बुलाए पाकिस्तान मोदी गए थे, किसान गए थे।
मुझे आप चुप होंगे? आपने बहुत बोला, आपने बहुत बोला। अब मैं बोल सकती हूँ? इजाजत देंगे किसी और को बोलने की भी? आप देखिए, जो रट्टी रटाई बातें आपकी पाठशाला में आप पढ़ते हैं और पढ़ाते हैं, मैंने भी पढ़ी थी। ये जो रट्टे रटाए आपकी जो सेमेंटिक्स हैं और ये पॉलिटिकल मैसेजिंग का जो तरीका है, मैं उससे अच्छी तरह से वाकिफ हूं और परिचित हूं। I was foolish enough to be a part of it and I'm smart enough to see through it. Please understand, अन्ना का आंदोलन किसके लिए था? कांग्रेस के भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ था। जो जिस तरह का भ्रष्टाचार था, एक भी मामला आप देख रहे हैं।
अच्छा, भ्रष्टाचार में कितने लोग गिरफ्तार किया आपने?
में किसी एक
शाजिया, उस भ्रष्टाचार में अब तक क्या कार्रवाई हुई 6.5 साल में?
मेरा वक्त है, चुप रही भाई साहब चुप रहिए, भाई साहब चुप रहिए।
6.5 साल में क्या कार्रवाई हुई ये बताओ ना।
आप मुझे बोलने देंगे, आप मुझे वक्त दीजिए। देखिए, और सीपी राय जी, मैं एक और आपसे बात कहना चाह रही हूँ। गणतंत्र दिवस है ये, भारत के जिस दिन पूरी रिपब्लिक बना था, एक सॉवरेन नेशन बना था, हमने अपने आप को ये संविधान दिया था। आप उसी संविधान की दलीलें देते हैं, आप उसी संविधान की बातें करते हैं, और आप उसी संविधान के तहत जो भारत देश बना है उसी के तोड़ने वालों के साथ खड़े होते हैं। ये दोनों चीजें मंजूर नहीं है, किसी को मंजूर नहीं है। पाठशाला
देश तोड़ने वाले भाजपा आरएसएस के लोग हैं, बाकी पूरा हिंदुस्तान देशभक्त है।
ये रट्टी रटाई बातें, अंबानी अदानी का नाम ले लो, देश खतरे में है, किस तरह से
पूरा देश, पूरा हिंदुस्तान देशभक्त है।
लोग थक गए हैं,
और जो गद्दार है उसको जेल में भेजो।
लोग, हिंदुस्तान परेशान है आप जैसे लोगों से। हिंदुस्तान तरक्की चाहता है, और लेफ्ट और राइट की बात है, इकोनॉमिक राइट हूं मैं। जहां तक
हिंदुस्तान ने तरक्की किया 2014 तक, देश में उसके बाद बर्बाद हो रहा है।
मजदूर जिनके पास नौकरी नहीं है वो जाएं, फैक्ट्रियां खुलें, बंद ना हो। आपका हर चीज बंद करो। मैं कहती हूँ स्कूल भी खोलो, कॉलेज भी खोलो। बहुत हो गई है हड़ताल की राजनीति। हड़ताल करो, हड़ताल और दंगे की राजनीति आपने की है जिंदगी भर, और मैं हड़ताल और दंगे के खिलाफ हूँ। हड़ताल नहीं होने दूंगी।
दंगे की राजनीति भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने की है।
कोविड के लिए बंद है, हड़ताल की नहीं।
समझ में आया? दंगे और हड़ताल बिल्कुल नहीं होगा।
वो तो ठीक है।
कि राजनीति के पिलर्स हैं, स्तंभ है आपकी राजनीति के। दंगा, एजिटेशन, दीज आर करियर एजिटेशनिस्ट। यू आर अ करियर एजिटेशनिस्ट, दैट्स व्हाट हु यू आर, एंड आई विल नॉट अलाउ पीपल लाइक यू टू प्रॉस्पर, बिकॉज इनफ ऑफ स्ट्राइक्स, enough of protests, enough of agitations, and enough of this cancel culture. No more. Let the nation work.
Shazia,
enough
today
is enough.
you have become.
No
you
more
can't be more
writing.
Allow protests. You don't allow strikes.
Yeah, Tanvi comes back to the debate. Tanvi.
How will you
I'm
protest?
very nationalist. When I see people in Seoul, in Korea, I fight single-handedly. All the Pakistani
Shazia, who's
protesters.
speaking today,
I know.
Shazia, who's speaking today, I think her only contribution to anything in life is
I will not allow this to happen.
Shazia.
Oh yes, so keep protesting.
Your any contribution to the country today is only protest. Other than protesting, you have done nothing. Tell me one contribution of yours other than protesting. You came into limelight by protest. You came into limelight by protest.
The shutters will not be down. Shutters will go up in our country. We will rise and fight you all. The anti-nationalists, you don't want the country to prosper because you can't defeat Modi politically. You want the country to shut down. We will not allow that to happen. I'm sorry, we will not allow that to happen.
I'd like Tanveer and Madhu Kishwar to come to the debate. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'd like to 1 minute. 1 minute, Tanveer a minute. Tanveer a minute. Shefali.
Shazia to keep quiet because
1 minute. Shefali is responding and then I'll get Madhu in. Shefali is responding. Shefali is responding. Calm down.
Yeah.
You're the other side. Be patient. Shefali.
Just give me 30 seconds. ये जो श्रीवास्तव साहब है प्रोफेशनल हेकलर वो बड़ी जोर से बोल रहे हैं हमारा ये डिमांड है हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं जैसे वो खुद फार्मर है वो मुझे बताएं उन्होंने लास्ट ईयर कितनी बोरियां चावल उगाए कितनी बोरियां गेहूं उगाए आई ग्रो 10 kilo tomatoes I am a better farmer than him so let him not take the high road and say he is a farmer and he is saying that this government doesn't allow democratic
आप ना किचन गार्डन करिए आप किचन गार्डन अपना ग्रो करिए दैट इज गुड लेकिन भाई राइट टू प्रोटेस्ट तो सबको दीजिए नो व्हाई डोंट यू गिव अस द राइट टू प्रोटेस्ट
प्रोफेशनल हेकलर
नो व्हाई आर यू अगेंस्ट स्ट्राइक्स व्हाई आर यू अगेंस्ट हड़ताल व्हाई डू यू नो
why do you hate soldiers
there is no question of heckling
Shefali louder
सारा your problem is that you hate army your problem is that you hate our soldiers your problem is that you hate everything that is India and you love China that's your problem you love China no you don't that is why you are saying no you don't you hate soldiers you hate soldiers you hate India you hate India you hate everything you are a hater you are a professional heckler and a hater you haven't contributed one single point to this debate other than calling General Bakshi that he hates soldiers why are you against the soldiers man
why do you want the farmer to remain poor
why are you against India?
Why are you against the farmers? I love the farmers.
Why do you love China so much? Are you a Chinese agent?
I support India.
No, you don't.
Because farmers is India. You see? So if I love the farmers, I love India. If I support farmers, I support India. No, I don't.
China.
You can live in your own world.
You
now see,
Rohit
you saying all the Sardars hate the army. All the Punjabis hate the army. All the farmers hate the army. It's not
She hasn't said that. She hasn't used the word all the Sardars. That's your word. She has not said that.
Arnab, if I may comment now.
Thank you. Vivek out. I'd like Professor Banajit Mandal on the right, please. Rohit.
Arnab, just 3 quick points. One is a fact, one is a logic, and a third is a salvo to be fired today. The first fact is that in this coming Republic Day parade, we have a contingent from Bangladesh. We have a new India tableau and a 75th Independence Day tableau coming up. So be very proudful, wear your chest and fly with a lot of glee and elan. The second part is, you look at the larger picture, Arnab. For the last 6-7 years, the entire might of the evil nexus is against our country. So what they're fearing is that India will become a prosperous agricultural state and an industrial state. So how do they get us down? So all the indices, right from ease of doing business to GDP, quality of living of people, whatever, they want to break each point through caste divisions, creed divisions, religious divisions, and create a tamasha in our country. And that is how Soroses of the world, the Wall Street Journals, the New York Times, you name anybody outside, and their stooges who are getting paid here are part of an ecosystem. Let me tell a final point as a salvo. When you have, Mr. Farmer, an agricultural land that is you are built on principles, and you go to make it into a commercial land by taking money from Pakistan and China, it is quite difficult for now you to do a grandstanding and go back from a commercial land to the agricultural land, because farmer knows you are a corrupt tooth of the enemy. Like we know that you are one.
That these
So
people
you
are
can
being,
keep
these
saying
farmers
whatever
are
you want
being
to say.
sponsored by
You
Pakistan
will
and China.
not succeed.
That's what you are trying to
The
suggest.
Anti-India agenda
That's what
will
you are
not
trying to
succeed.
suggest, that these farmers
The
are being sponsored
of
by
the
Pakistan
world who
and
are on your
China.
channel today, Arnab,
And what
will
kind
not
of a shame is
succeed.
this?
They will get their doles from Pakistan and China into
You
whatever
are
format
suggesting
they
that these
have
farmers are being sponsored
but
by
they will not
Pakistan and
succeed
China.
to put a wedge
Shame on you.
between my
What are
republic
you talking
and
about?
my farmer.
He's not
They will
talking about farmers.
succeed
Giri Bakshi,
put a vote between the
That's what he's
Republic
suggesting.
and the sponsor.
No, I
They
take
will not
strong
succeed
objection to his
in
argument.
getting my
That's what
Republic
he's
down.
suggesting.
Go to hell with
That's
you.
what he's suggesting. It is amply clear. He's saying that the farmers are being
Bakshi
sponsored by Pakistan and
takes over from
China.
Rohit there, please.
What are you talking about? Then why are you talking to them?
He has not
What
said
are you
that.
talking to them? Mr.
He has
Rohit or
not
whatever.
said that. You may
What
want
is
to
the government,
construe
what
that
is the
to suit
government
your
doing
agenda,
by
General Bakshi.
engaging in dialogues with them?
Colonel Rohit there, please. General
What are
Bakshi.
you talking about?
Lead
The
India.
fact remains that the farmers are not made
General
for
Bakshi
the
back.
laws. I tell you this, if the
Listen to
laws are
me.
not beneficial, they will understand
Kindly
it first.
listen to me.
Why can't you,
Kindly
why
listen
can't
to
you
me,
put it on hold
sir.
for at least for a year?
Sir, please
The
listen to
government-
me.
Yes, sir,
Can't you stop
I am
shouting?
listening to you. Let us
Please. I can shout louder than you.
give them at least defer the implementation
Please,
of the law. At least
Arnab,
defer it for
this
a year.
Republic Day,
The farmers-
we will also be celebrating the 125th anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. This Republic Day, we will be celebrating Netaji's anniversary. We were hoping that INA veterans would be on parade. We were hoping to see floats on the Azad Hind Fauj and Netaji. This Republic Day, can his voice please be put down? This Republic Day, can I request the people of India to please remember Colonel Santosh Babu, to please remember Sipahi Gurtej Singh of the Punjab, who with his
Absolutely,
Kripan
sir.
killed 12 Chinese
Absolutely,
soldiers.
sir. Absolutely, sir.
He killed 12 Chinese
and nothing shall come in
soldiers.
the way of that. Nothing will be allowed
Why
to come in
don't
the way
you
of that.
honor
this
him?
time. Nothing. Nothing will sully that.
Why can't we honor him?
Also respect the real pillars of the nation, the farmers who have also died in numbers. We
I want
also
Madhu Kishwar
celebrate
on the debate, please.
Sir,
I
he
want
was
Madhu
the
Kishwar
son
on the debate,
of
please,
a
right
farmer.
now. General Bakshi, I'm handing over to
Gurtej
Madhu Kishwar.
Singh,
Listen to them.
Sipahi Gurtej Singh is the son of a farmer.
Government believes in the republic. The very idea of republic is based on the farmers' toils. This idea of republic is based on the farmers' labor.
You
They
have
are
to
the
know
real
that.
And his sons
I
who
think
are
we have a
defending the
fundamental
country.
disagreement that I
Jai
have to-
Jawan, Jai Kisan. Why do you
I
hate
have
the
a fundamental
Jawans?
disagreement then.
Yes.
I have a
Yes.
yes.
We don't hate. That is your binary. That is your argument.
I'd like Madhu Kishwar to come
A
in.
Jawan is also born
I'm
in a
saying it for the
farmer's
umpteenth
house.
time.
You know it, sir.
I'm saying it for the umpteenth time.
You know it.
Between Madhu Kishwar and DK now. Madhu Kishwar and DK on the debate. Please, viewers, allow me a minute. Allow me a minute. You have to understand the anti-constitution lobby. We are in a serious situation on the debate, Madhu. And I think we have come to a fundamental disagreement on some points. I would like to say that the anti-constitutional lobby in this country will never understand my hashtag today 26 Jan is sacred. Because they will never understand the significance and sanctity of the Constitution. How will those, Madhu, who refuse to unfurl the tricolour understand hashtag 26 January is sacred? How will people like Mehbooba Mufti, who refuse to hoist the national flag saying, as long as our own flag is not returned, we will not hold any other flag, understand the patriotism that comes with unfurling the flag in every school, every institution, every village, every taluka, every city, every state of this republic today? We have a fundamental disagreement. Let us first be honest today, Madhu. There is a fundamental disagreement, Madhu. There are people like Sarjil Imam who say if we want to help Assam, we will have to stop the way to Assam for the Indian Army and other supplies. The chicken necks belongs to the Muslims. How will they understand the sanctity of Republic Day, which is built upon Article 1 of the Constitution, which says India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. So I am saying today, if there are people who romanticize mutinies, who have a tukde agenda, who in February 2016, this battle has been fought since then, Madhu, with greater intensity. They said, Afzal, hum sharminda hai, tere qatil zinda hai, Bharat tere tukde honge. They will not understand the significance of Republic Day. We have to fight for it. The time has come to raise our voice for it. Madhu, I hand it over to you. Let us talk about the fundamental disagreement that we have with some people today.
Yeah. Yes or no? You know it very well. I know it very well. And majority of the people of India know it very well. That their agenda is one-point agenda. Break up India. At the behest of forces hostile to India. They are not even independent agents. There's no point talking to them. You may as well talk to the people who are their puppeteers, who are actually pulling the strings and making them do these things. We all know who is that. My request to you with folded hands or nobbies, please don't give so much prime time to these enemies of India. They reduce us all to the status of barking dogs because that's all they do. They come to heckle, they come to scream, they come to just cause disruption. I don't know why you're offering them so much free time. I see no reason why prime time television should be available to them to project their agenda, because they go by this simple logic: if you throw enough mud, some will stick. And so at least those among our young people who are not so familiar with the agenda of this Break Up India mafia, because they very cleverly use human rights rhetoric, they use the vocabulary of democratic rights even now. For example, right to protest. You have held the whole government and the whole country to hostage. And yet they are saying that they don't have democratic right to protest. They want mayhem. They want to have murder and mayhem on the streets of India. Why are you giving them so much time? Please keep them out. We've heard enough of them. They've got enough platforms of their own or not. I don't know why your hard-earned platform, you have spent blood and sweat to create Republic TV. You ought not to be giving them even 2 minutes. They've got enough platforms to express their views and their agenda, to pursue their agenda of Break Up India. Let this Republic TV become a platform for people who talk sense, who have real issues. They have no issues. That's why the agenda is Sare Wapis Lo Kanun. Why? What about millions of farmers who are happy with these laws? Millions of farmers are not coming, just a few thousand, 2, 3, 4,000. And such a 5-star agitation. Half of the people who are coming there are coming for free meals. I went there or not. There are people who, for example, pick garbage. There are people who using it as a mela. It's a very luxurious site. And so, it's not an agitation. It is actually a very, very,
Madhuji,
rich man's mela.
I agree with your first part.
Money pouring
Madhuji,
in from all over, from enemies of India.
But your perception of the farmers' agitation is totally harsh and uncharitable. It is not expected, Madhuji. I agree with your first part.
I know,
but your leveling of the farmers
and
really stigmatizing the farmers' movement, I do not agree.
To break up India. You only want
No. This is not expected of a person like you.
Not the language
Madhuji, you have been an editor of such a popular journal.
That's exactly
how can you stigmatize the farmers' movement like this? How can you label them like this? No. How can you say it's a luxury to be there? People have died. People have died out of cold and stress. This is absolutely unexpected out of you, Madhuji. People have died out of suffocation and stress.
It's death is on their heads.
And you say it's a luxury.
You want people
how can
to
you
die.
be so harsh?
And in fact,
how can
the
you be
whole
so harsh and ruthless? Madhuji, you are a spokesperson of women. You are a spokesperson of women. And you talk about compassion. And compassion in equality.
We know enough about agitations, real and fake ones. This is the most fake agitation I have ever seen.
And you
This
said
is
it's a
so
luxurious
naked
movement.
in
Very,
its
very unfortunate,
cynical
Madhuji.
callousness.
Very, very unfortunate.
That's why
You know,
they have
we
to
read you
bribe
in Manushi.
people
We
with
respected you so
five-star
much.
luxuries.
But you know, you were
I've
taking
seen
such a
farmers'
ruthless and unexpected
agitations
position.
where
What has
people
happened to
couldn't
you?
afford one
I am
meal
surprised,
outside
Madhuji,
the
with
house.
your
They would
position.
cook their
I
own
am
meal, they
shocked
would
and
carry their own
surprised.
chulas.
No,
And
no.
here
I mean,
you are
make a
giving
lot of
them
sense. But on
five-star
farmers,
luxuries.
you are
I've
very
never seen an
insensitive.
agitation
Not
like this
expected
before
out
in
of
my
you,
whole
Madhuji.
life.
Not
So
expected.
the good thing
You know,
is
people have
you've
died. Farmers
exposed
have died. They
yourself.
have killed
The
themselves.
good thing
They have
is
died
the
out of stress
organizers
and
of this
suffocation and out of
agitation
cold.
have
No,
exposed
very
themselves
I walked
for
there
what they
10
are.
kilometers, about 10
Khalistanis who have no other agenda, Maoists who have no other agenda except to break up India, and people are seeing through it. And I can tell you, the end will be exactly that of the Shaheen Bagh agitation.
Madhuji,
Totally
you'll have to rethink.
discredited.
You'll have to
Totally
introspect on what you are
discredited.
saying.
The sad part is,
Please, no. I'm so sorry to hear this.
people have now
I'm so
learned
sorry
to
to hear
distinguish between real farmers
Manojit.
and paid hirelings.
No, sorry. Very sad. I can only say very sad, Madhuji. Very sad your position on farmers.
The whole
Very,
country
very
is
sad.
feeling sad
That is all I
at
can
this
say.
spectacle. Who can call it an agitation?
No. You are not.
You've
It's not
created a
expected
whole
of you. I don't
city
know what
there,
has come
a
of you.
township
That you
of luxury,
are portraying the
five-star
farmers in
luxury.
such a poor
You've created
and objectionable
a township
way.
of five-star luxury. We've never seen agitations like this, and they are being funded by ISI. They are being funded by
One single
Canadian
sentence to
government.
Madhuji.
We know, for example, which are the forces that are coming to fund this agitation. And I do
Before that,
know
one
most of the
sentence to you.
friends.
Madam,
Once upon
Before
a time,
that, one
some
sentence
people
to you,
were funny.
Manojit.
Some of my friends.
who
And I know
single-handedly
anywhere.
busted the hypocrisy of the left feminist radicals
Wherever
in India
there is Yogendra
some 2
Yadav,
decades
there
back
is
by
pure
writing such a book like Off the
unadulterated
Beaten
evil.
Track. These kind of statements are coming from the same person. I can't really match, madam. I was a fan of yours when I read the book by yourself.
Well, I go by the facts on the ground.
Myth in
I
India,
call
off the
myself
beaten track.
not.
But you are bringing
No,
the
I
same
call
kind
myself
of
a
argument.
factarian.
Same kind of
I
argument.
call
was such a
myself a
huge hit
factarian.
for all of us.
And my conclusions come from facts
Please,
on the
madam,
ground.
this kind of
Facts on the
statement
ground
doesn't
tell
suit
me
you.
that this is
This
not
kind
a
of statement
farmer's
doesn't suit you.
agitation. Facts
How
on the
are you
ground tell
gradually
me
moving on the
that
other side
this
of the
is
reason?
a mela
You are so reasonable 2 decades
organized
back
by
when he wrote
the
this
Break
famous
Up
book,
India
Off the
gang,
Beaten Track.
which
I
owes
still have
its
it in my
allegiance
myself.
to ISI,
Such a
to
huge,
forces
hugely
hostile to
popular book
India.
among us.
It has
to
nothing
completely
to do
expose
with
the left
farmers.
hypocrisy of the feminists.
This
I mean,
is
that's the same
nothing
kind
to
of
do with
statement, this kind of
farmers.
statement
You
coming
are
from
bringing
madam.
bad
It's
name
such
to
a
I'd like to
farmers.
quote
tragedy.
B.R.
You are
Ambedkar.
bringing bad name
Mr.
to
Manojit
farmers.
Mandal, Mr. Manojit
Please
Mandal,
shut these
Mr.
voices.
Mandal, Mr.
They've
Mandal,
got enough
Mr.
platforms
Mandal, you
of
see the
their
thing
own.
is, one
Let
minute,
them
one minute,
go,
Mr.
yeah.
Mandal, Professor Mandal, can I break this up, please? Professor Mandal and Madhu, Professor Mandal, to you I'd say, you said. 1 minute, Madhu, 1 minute. Professor Mandal, can I intervene? And please don't speak over me, it's very impolite. My question is, Professor Mandal, may I please say so? May I please say so? And just because I have 1 minute, Professor Mandal, may I say so this to you? That you said that you were once a fan of Madhu Kishore. 1 minute. I would say equally to you that you will say I am also a fan of B.R. Ambedkar. 1 minute. Not that I am drawing any comparison. Or you may say, oh my God, will you please listen to me and not be a professional heckler. You may say that I was once a fan of Professor Kapil Kumar, but when the views of that individual are disagreeable to me, I am no longer a fan. I would say that an intellectually open person is one person who says, I would be a fan of Madhu Kishore when I agreed with her views. I will continue to be her fan when I disagree with her views. And now, in pursuance of my argument, can I quote B.R. Ambedkar, please, to you? Can I quote B.R. Ambedkar to you? Are you a fan of B.R. Ambedkar, sir? Let me ask you, Professor Mandal, let me please request you not to run a parallel audio track over me, but answer my question. Because this is no way. If you have the intellectual confidence to confront me, you know, I have been, 1 minute, Professor Mandal, please be quiet, this is not the way. এটা আপনার পাড়াতে কোনো ঝগড়া হচ্ছে না প্লিজ আপনি একটু প্লিজ থামান প্লিজ ইটস নট আ পাড়া ব্যাটল দ্যাট উই হ্যাভিং ইটস আ প্রপার ডিবেট অন ন্যাশনাল টেলিভিশন প্রোগ্রাম আমি আপনি কিছু একটা বলছি নাও দ্য প্রবলেম ইজ আই অলওয়েজ হ্যাভ টু স্পিক ইন বেঙ্গলি when I have to chastise you please listen ঝগড়া লাগাচ্ছি না আমি কিছু একটা বলছি কিছু কথা বলছি যখন আপনি শুনে তারপরে আপনি একটু অপেক্ষা করে তারপরে নিজের জবাবটা দেবেন আমার কথাটা শুনুন I ask you one question. Are you, I can't, now you know, sometimes in my debate I realize now, this is the advantage, Professor Kumar, of being an army officer's son. I grew up in various parts of India, so I can understand Marathi, I can speak Assamese, Bengali, speak a little bit of Punjabi. That day I spoke Kannada on my program, but that does not mean that I have to go into vernacular to stop you people, and then I can't do an English channel anymore. So please, on an English program, speak in English. Now question is, are you a fan of Ambedkar? Simple question. Are you, Monojit Mandal, a fan of B.R. Ambedkar? I am. Are you?
Absolutely, yes. Yes, I am.
Exactly. Now, I tell you one more thing.
Not an uncritical blind fan.
When B.R. Ambedkar...
Whether Ambedkar or Mahatma Gandhi.
1 minute, yeah, you know, the problem is... Wait,
I'm
no...
not an uncritical fan
now, you know, viewers are going to come.
Ambedkar or Gandhi.
Well, as far as I am concerned, oh God, you know, I can't... There's already audio delay and then you're not letting me complete. I have been a fan of B.R. Ambedkar when he stood with Mahatma Gandhi, and I would say one thing, I remain a fan of B.R. Ambedkar despite knowing that he had strong disagreements with Mahatma Gandhi, right? I remain a great fan of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, General Bakshi, despite knowing fully in my heart that I believe Mahatma Gandhi was unfair to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So I will not allow my intellectual consistency to be disrupted by by petty convenience. Now I ask you, since you said you're a fan of B.R. Ambedkar, B.R. Ambedkar said the following. Please remember, remember B.R. Ambedkar led a constitution drafting committee that made our republic possible. He said, and I quote, please listen to every word of this. Where constitutional means are open, Professor Kumar, there can be no justification for these unconstitutional methods. And B.R. Ambedkar went on to say, these methods are nothing but the grammar of anarchy. Grammar, G capital, A, anarchy capital. These methods are nothing but the grammar of anarchy, and the sooner they are abandoned, the better for us and our country. B.R. Ambedkar, I am quoting from the excerpts of B.R. Ambedkar's speech to the Constituent Assembly on the 25th of November 1949. I rest my case. Stop the unconstitutional methods. Don't blackmail the government of the day. Don't blackmail the people of India. 26th January is sacred.
Can I answer now?
And then Professor Kumar will respond. Yes, please.
Only he has to speak. Why did you call me back again?
Make it big.
Why did you call me back again?
Today's Prime Minister, when he
No, sir, I'm calling you back. Sir, please be patient. After this, I'm coming to you.
He held protest rallies for a year. The same person was roaming around the country on that famous Ratha Yatra in 1990s. Was that anarchy? By the same logic, that must have also been an anarchy.
That was no, he was not disrupting anyone. Then 1 minute. I request Professor Kapil Kumar to come into the debate, please. Professor Kapil Kumar, I think you understood the point.
Yes, there was.
Professor Kapil Kumar, Manojit, you had your say. Professor Kapil Kumar is on the debate.
Masjid case was going on in the Supreme Court. Then why did this happen in 1992?
Kapil Kumar.
I'm taking your argument only.
Kapil Kumar.
The case was going on in the Supreme Court. Then why
you stop them, then only
I am talking.
Why did they need
you
to
stop them, then only I will
Masjid?
speak. Otherwise, I will not.
Professor Kapil Kumar is on the debate right now with Tanvir.
Your argument. I have only taken your
argument. Calm down, everyone, please. We want all sides. Last few minutes on the debate. Yes, please.
You see, Ambedkar's views, what Ambedkar did, what Ambedkar aspired for is one thing, and the way these people use the name of Ambedkar in today's politics is another thing. Today's politics of Ambedkar is, Ambedkar never said that you make your statues while you are alive or even later on. So today's politics is very different, so don't please give lessons on Ambedkar without understanding Ambedkar. There was a other Mondal also who went to Pakistan and became the law minister. Leave that out. The thing I wanted to say, Arnab, here is, we are a real democracy. We are not like the China's People's Democracy, who on the very second day at Tiananmen Square put up tanks on their citizens. Let the leftists know this. And these leftists support that China. Let the leftists know, tell me, any country in the world where the citizens have a single democratic right. These anarchists, they use the tools as a tool, the Indian liberties and the Indian democracy and Indian rights, to create anarchy in India because they refuse to accept India as a nation. They still think that India is not a nation and a creation of British. Pick up the writings of Marx and pick up the writings of colonial historiographers. This is what they do. And let me tell them one thing. Democracy in this country is protected not by the shouts of Tukde gang and these anarchists shouting like Yogendra Yadav. Democracy in this country is protected by our Jawans, the sons of the Kisans, not of big farmers, son of Kisans, who stand at Siachen, who stand at Rann of Kutch, and who defend our rights, our democracy and our constitution.
The son of Kisan and
Let these
Kisan
communists know this.
They are all sitting on the
loyal to India?
And shame on
when have they been loyal to India?
I close today, viewers.
They only, and today,
I think it's been an important
they are
debate.
Speaking the language of the biggest,
I think it's been an important debate, viewers.
China
Viewers,
is the biggest money lender of the world.
Viewers, it's been an important debate.
Is the biological warfare.
The drafting committee for our constitution took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to frame the constitution and make India a republic. We need to think about heroes like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, among the first Indian nationalists who gave the call for Swaraj and dedicated their lives to the Indian independence movement today. We need to think today about the Indian National Army led by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to fight the British forces in various parts of India. They chose to say Jai Hind, which means victory to India, as their salutation. Vested interests cannot take over the country, viewers, and therefore we need to save Republic Day. 26 January is sacred. Everybody has a right to protest, but nobody has a right to try and blackmail the country on Republic Day. I will see you tomorrow. For now, goodbye.